Raboni versus James. James is the leader, Raboni is the chaser.
Here you go, James and Raboni. We both know they can drive like madmen. Let's see what they can pull off battling each other this round.
Okay, drifters, ready, and 3, 2, 1, go.
Go, James out in front, Raboni chasing him down. Nice. Oh, a little tap there from Raboni into the first living zone. James fills it up completely. Raboni trying to make up that ground. Oh, shallow effort from Raboni. Look at James almost scraping the wall there. Into number 3. James fills it up all the way. Raboni just trying to play catch up, but still in the fight. Last transition. James good transition into the last corner, and Raboni just trying to claw his way onto James' door.
Score 6-4 in favor of James. Let's see the second round. Ready, and 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, Raboni up front with a disadvantage, but can he pull off a gangster run to shake James off his tail? Just misses flipping zone 1, transition into 2. James is right there on the door, even with his advantage, pushing it to the limit. Transition to number 3, door to door again, bumper to bumper, into number 4, not letting Raboni lead him, and into the last flipping zone. Raboni scrapes the ball, but James is right there.
Winner, James.
Congratulations, James moves on.